Hello everybody, I'm so glad you are here. My channel is all about art journal, mixed media painting, collage, assemblage and anything else that sparks my interest. In case you don't know me, I'm Grob and I love to inspire you. Hello and welcome, come on in to my little hallway gallery. As you can see, I have some of my paintings in this hallway which I use as a gallery. I also do house exhibition, and that's what people see first when they come in. All my paintings, I do have like abstract paintings, flowers, faces, figures. I do work on watercolor paper, on canvases or on wooden panels. Now let's go into the studio to see where I work. I have also more work for you there to see, so come on in. I just closed real quick the door. So here is my studio. I do have more work here, obviously, that are paintings on watercolor paper. I also do have a little cradle here where I have my watercolor paintings. Those watercolor paintings fit perfectly either in the small or in the big IKEA frame called Riba. So very easy to frame them yourself. Again, there are abstract painting, there are abstract figures, there are flowers. I do have my girls. To my right, I have my desktop computer where I do edit my videos, I do work on my web page, I answer emails and whatnot. That's my more office area. I also have some more paintings up on the wall. Like this one over here is a rather new one on a deep canvas, 60 by 60 centimeter, which is about 24 by 24 inch. And then on my left, that's where all my treasures are. Starting with found objects, from metal pieces to dolls to wire. I also have my canvases and wooden panels up here. I do have more stuff from the thrift stores and the flea markets. I have beads, I have a lot of metal parts from the last century jewelry industry from Germany. It's about 30s or 40s, 1930, 1940, something around that. I have more beads, I also have fabric, I have threads and ribbons and embroidery yarn. Over here I have the section with media, like gel medium. I have wax crayons, soft pastels. Here I have an area where I have materials which I also sell, either online or in my live classes, like my rubber stamps, for example. As you can see, I do film from this area too. So I have a painting booth which my husband made for me from 2 IKEA bookshelves. So below I have all my paints I need to paint. I lately figured out it's much easier to paint large paintings in a vertical manner, not like on a table but on the wall. So now over here I have projects in the pipeline, so to say. I do have often ideas in my head, and I keep my materials here just to have easy access. That's the area where I do my art journals when I'm filming them, and my paintings for videos like YouTube or whatever. And over here I do have my art journals here. They're in work in progress. There's my markers, which you should store horizontally. I do have some magazines and books, but up here there is more artwork, starting with painting and then going into assemblage. I do have some more assemblages here. Some you have seen online as videos. That's a brand new one. Also brand new are those tiny little journals made from slide frames. Then over here we have another assemblage area, and here are my little books which are for sale too. Speaking of selling, if you're interested in one of those artworks, I could offer you some private Facebook Live or Zoom Live, or if you are on an Apple device, also a FaceTime Live. So we can look into those objects you are interested in more deeply. I can show you details, whether it is for an assemblage or a canvas. We can talk about price, shipping and whatnot. And if you are in the area on appointment, you also can come into the studio. So I hope you enjoyed that little insight into my studio and my hallway gallery, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care, bye!